The MD2380 TV Wall Mount is an excellent choice for televisions ranging from 32 to 65 inches, providing a sturdy and reliable solution for your home entertainment setup. Its full motion capability allows you to tilt the television up by 5 degrees and down by 15 degrees, as well as swivel it left or right to achieve the perfect viewing angle. Installation is made easy with clear instructions and pre-labeled hardware, ensuring even those with minimal DIY experience can set it up with confidence. This wall mount is constructed with 6 articulating arms, offering enhanced stability and safety thanks to advanced robot welding technology. Mounting Dream provides exceptional customer support based in the United States, ready to assist you with any pre-purchase or installation inquiries. The design accommodates a maximum weight of 99 pounds and supports VISA patterns up to 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters, making it versatile for various television models.